Hey there, Tay's World family. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT. Whether you're a content creator, student, or just someone who loves smart tech, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from its incredible features, pricing, and benefits to some behind-the-scenes tech magic that makes it all possible. Plus, we'll explore how you can use ChatGPT and other GPT models for creating images, thumbnails, and even videos. So, let's get started. Before we jump into all the cool things ChatGPT can do, let's talk about what it actually is. But don't worry, I promise to keep it fun. Picture this. You've got a super smart friend who knows almost everything and is always up for a chat. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's an AI language model created by OpenAI, designed to understand you, chat with you, and help you out like a human would. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, looking for quick answers, or just need someone to bounce thoughts off, ChatGPT is like your own personal genius sidekick. Cool, right? All right, let's dive into some of the cool tech behind ChatGPT, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. So, ChatGPT is built using a special type of AI called a transformer model. Specifically, it's the GPT-4 architecture, and GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, that might sound a bit technical, but here's the fun part. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of text from all over the internet. Think of it as reading millions of books, articles, and websites. This training helps it understand context, respond with coherent and meaningful text, and have conversations that feel just like talking to a real person. How cool is that? But here's where it gets even better. Let's talk about generative AI. So, what is generative AI? Well, it's basically AI that can create things, whether that's text, images, or even videos. And it does this through super smart algorithms and deep learning that let it analyze tons of data and learn from it. For ChatGPT, this means it can generate human-like text on the fly. And with other models like DALL-E, you can even create images from just a simple text description. Imagine having all that creative power right at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life. Now, let's dive into what makes ChatGPT truly special. This AI is packed with features that can make your life a lot easier and, honestly, a lot more fun. First up, conversational abilities. ChatGPT isn't just a basic chatbot. It's like having a real conversation with someone who actually gets what you're saying. You can ask it questions, talk about random topics, or dive deep into specific subjects, and it'll respond in a way that feels natural and meaningful. Imagine chatting with an AI that not only understands you, but can also keep the conversation going in a way that makes sense. Next, let's talk about content creation. This is where ChatGPT really shines, especially if you're a writer or content creator. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing articles, or even putting together social media posts, ChatGPT is like having a creative partner who's always full of fresh ideas. It can help you generate scripts or write entire pieces of content, all with just a few prompts from you. In fact, let me show you how it can whip up a video script or article in seconds. Now, for all the students out there, Student Assistance is another game changer. Picture this. You're stuck on a tough math problem or trying to make sense of a historical event. Instead of stressing out, you can ask ChatGPT, and it'll break things down for you in a way that's easy to understand. It's like having a tutor who's always available, ready to help you tackle any subject, anytime. And finally, let's not forget enhanced search. If you're tired of digging through endless search results, ChatGPT has you covered. It gives you detailed, conversational answers that cut right to the chase. It's like having an expert who knows exactly what you're looking for, without all the clutter. Let me show you what I mean. And those are just some of the ways ChatGPT can make your life easier and more creative. Whether you're chatting, creating content, studying, or searching for information, ChatGPT is here to help every step of the way. Let's dive into how you can start using these features to boost your productivity and creativity. And if you're into creating visual content, you're going to love this. With the integration of DALL-E right inside ChatGPT, you now have the power to generate stunning images just by describing what you want. Need a custom graphic or a perfect thumbnail? Just type in your idea and watch as ChatGPT, with the help of DALL-E, brings it to life. But it doesn't stop there. When it comes to video creation, ChatGPT can help you script, generate voiceovers, and even suggest visuals. It's like having an entire production studio at your fingertips, all powered by AI. Whether you're crafting a YouTube thumbnail, designing a blog image, or putting together a video, ChatGPT has got you covered from start to finish. Let's break down how ChatGPT can make a real difference in your day-to-day life. For content creators, ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's your creative partner, helping you brainstorm, refine ideas, and even co-write content. It boosts your productivity and makes creating engaging content a breeze. For students, ChatGPT is like a personal tutor. Struggling with an assignment? It can simplify complex topics, making study time more effective and less stressful. And for search enthusiasts, ChatGPT revolutionizes your search experience. No more endless scrolling, just direct, detailed answers right when you need them. Whether you're creating, learning, or searching, ChatGPT makes everything smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. All right, now let's talk about what everyone's curious about, the pricing. OpenAI offers different pricing plans for ChatGPT, so you can pick the one that suits your needs. First up, there's the free tier. That's right, you can start using ChatGPT for free. It gives you basic access, which is perfect if you're just getting started or only need it occasionally. But if you're looking for more advanced features, higher usage limits, or priority access, you'll want to check out the paid plans. These plans offer something for everyone, whether you're an individual needing a bit more power or a business looking to scale up. Let's take a closer look at the options. So, whether you're a light user or someone who needs the full package, there's a plan that fits your needs and budget. So, there you have it. ChatGPT is an amazing tool with tons of features that can help you in so many ways. Whether you're creating content, studying, or just looking for information, it's got your back. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TA's World, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.